This is an old Scania truck, driven by my Guangdong buddy for 10 years. He says, this truck has run a mere 3.3 million kilometers and hasn't had a major overhaul. He wants to restore it so it can fight alongside him for another 10 years. We will rebuild this truck from the inside out, bringing it back to a near new condition, returning it to its peak. The complete vehicle teardown is done. Now we begin dismantling the cabin. The cabin teardown is complete. Now we start restoring the engine to see what it looks like inside after 3.3 million kilometers. As everyone can see, aside from normal carbon buildup, the engine is basically fine. After a rebuild, it can easily run another 3.3 million kilometers. Currently, the entire truck has been completely dismantled. Now we begin cleaning all the vehicle's components. Knowing why we must persevere. Straightening and aligning the chassis frame. Then, performing glue removal and sanding on the cabin. starting to clean the entire wiring harness. Next, cleaning all the wheels. Finally, cleaning the engine. It's exhausting, and sometimes I don't even know why I keep pushing. Starting engine assembly. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Engine assembly is complete. Now starting the transmission restoration. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. As everyone can see, the transmission gears are basically as good as new. There is no major wear. Now starting to clean the transmission gears. After cleaning, we now begin assembling the transmission. Get ready for it this. After assembly, we begin applying paint to the transmission. After spraying, we bake the paint on the transmission. Finally, cleaning the exterior of the engine. After the engine is cleaned, we spray and bake the paint on the cabin. Now the full vehicle restoration is done, and we begin the final assembly. With the truck assembled, we start resolving the error codes. This Scania has been completely restored. Now we take it on the road to see if it has returned to its peak. What do you guys think? Can this Scania fight on for another 5 years? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts.